Upgrading your bathroom with a walk-in shower is an exciting way to improve both comfort and functionality in your home. For homeowners in mobile, where convenience and efficient use of space are important, understanding the installation process can help you feel confident and prepared. Knowing what to expect from start to finish ensures a smoother experience and better results. The process typically begins with an initial consultation and planning phase. During this stage, a professional will assess your current bathroom layout, take measurements, and discuss your preferences. This is your opportunity to choose design elements such as shower size, materials, fixtures, and layout. Whether you're looking for a modern, minimalist design or something more traditional, careful planning ensures your new walk-in shower meets both your style and functional needs. Once the design is finalized, preparation for installation begins. This may include removing existing fixtures such as a bathtub or old shower. The removal process is handled carefully to avoid damage to surrounding areas. At this stage, installers will also inspect the subfloor and walls to ensure everything is in good condition. If any issues such as water damage or structural concerns are discovered, they will be addressed before moving forward. This step is essential for ensuring the long-term durability of your new shower. Plumbing adjustments are often part of the installation process. Depending on your design, pipes may need to be repositioned or upgraded to accommodate new fixtures. Professional installers ensure that all plumbing connections are properly installed and meet current standards. This not only ensures proper function but also helps prevent future leaks or issues. Next comes the installation of the shower base or pan. This is a critical component, as it provides the foundation for the entire shower and ensures proper drainage. The base is carefully leveled and secured to prevent water from pooling or leaking. In mobile, where humidity can be a factor, proper drainage is especially important for maintaining a clean and dry bathroom environment. Wall installation follows, which may include tiles, panels, or other waterproof materials. These surfaces are installed with precision to create a seamless and watertight enclosure. Proper sealing is applied to prevent moisture from penetrating behind the walls. This step not only enhances durability but also contributes to the overall appearance of your new shower. Once the walls are in place, fixtures such as the showerhead, controls, and any additional features are installed. Homeowners can choose from a variety of options, including handheld showerheads, rainfall fixtures, or built-in shelving. These features are installed and tested to ensure they function correctly and provide the comfort you expect. Glass enclosures or doors are typically installed toward the end of the process. These elements help define the space while maintaining an open and modern look. Installers ensure that glass panels are securely fitted and properly sealed to prevent water from escaping the shower area. After installation is complete, a thorough inspection is conducted. Professionals check for proper drainage, secure fittings, and overall functionality. This ensures that your new walk-in shower is ready for daily use without any issues. You may also receive guidance on how to care for and maintain your new shower to keep it looking and performing its best. One of the immediate benefits you'll notice is improved accessibility. Walk-in showers are designed for ease of use, making them a great option for homeowners looking for convenience and safety. The open design eliminates the need to step over a high tub edge, creating a more user-friendly space. You'll also experience a noticeable upgrade in comfort and style. A well-designed walk-in shower can make your bathroom feel more spacious and modern. The clean lines and customizable features allow you to create a space that fits your lifestyle perfectly. In the end, walk-in shower installation in mobile is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. By understanding each step, from planning and preparation to final inspection, you can approach your project with confidence. The result is a functional, stylish, and comfortable bathroom upgrade that adds value to your home and enhances your daily routine.